Hindi lamang natin ginugunita ang nakaraan. Tayo sama-samang umakbang patungo sa kinabukasan. Sa kauna-unang pagkakataon, ang mga kinatawan mula sa tatlong lalawigan, Pampanga, Tarlac at Nueva Ecija ay nagtipon upang gawin ang isang makasaysayang hakbang, ang paglagda sa Fraternal Unification Pact. Hindi ito basta kasulatan. Ito ay isang pangako. Pangako ng mas matibay na ugnayan, pangako ng mas malalim na pagtutulungan, at pangako ng sama-samang pag-angat, hindi bilang magkakahiwalay na chapter o probinsya, kundi bilang isang nagkakaisang rehiyon na kapatiran. Naway maalala ang araw na ito hindi lang bilang isang selebrasyon, kundi bilang simula ng isang pagkakaisang hindi matitina ang pundasyon ng Central Luzon Regional Council. At sa puntong ito, mga kapatid, ating isisigaw ang ating panata. Magsitayo po tayo lahat at sasabay natin bigkasin ang panunumpa ng pangrehiyong kapatiran.
Ay, ito.
May kopya po ata nilagay sa mga table. Share ko po siya isa sa process.
Okay na po, okay na po siya.
Okay, brothers and sisters, please raise your right hand. So we will we'll do our okay. Repeat after me. I stand before my brothers and sisters.
I stand before my brothers and sisters.
With pride in my heart.
With pride in my heart.
And loyalty in my soul.
And loyalty in my soul.
Today.
Today.
I pledge myself to the cause of unity.
I pledge myself to the cause of unity.
Not just for my chapter.
Not just for my chapter.
But for our entire region.
But for our entire region.
I vow to uphold the sacred principles.
I vow to uphold the sacred principles.
Of our confraternity.
Of our confraternity.
Brotherhood.
Brotherhood.
Loyalty.
Loyalty.
And integrity.
And integrity.
I shall work hand in hand.
I shall work hand in hand.
With my fellow chapters.
With my fellow chapters.
Respecting differences.
Respecting differences.
Building trust.
Building trust.
And embracing purpose.
And embracing purpose.
I commit to a regional brotherhood.
I commit to a regional brotherhood.
Where no chapter stands alone.
Where no chapter stands alone.
Where voices are heard.
Where voices are heard.
And actions are shared.
And actions are shared.
When we rise together.
When we rise together.
Through solidarity.
Through solidarity.
And love for the principles we uphold.
And love for the principles we uphold.
I pledge to serve.
I pledge to serve.
With courage and humility.
With courage and humility.
To honor our founders.
To honor our founders.
And guide our future.
And guide our future.
To strengthen the Central Luzon Regional Council.
To strengthen the Central Luzon Regional Council.
And to carry the flame of Pipetro wherever I go.
And to carry the flame of Pipetro wherever I go.
So help me, my brothers and sisters.
So help me, my brothers and sisters.
As I pledge.
As I pledge.
Not just with my words.
Not just with my words.
But with my deeds.
But with my deeds.
To the enduring strength of our united brotherhood.
To the enduring strength of our united brotherhood.
Pipetro spirit always strong.
Pipetro spirit always strong.
Salamat po.
Kapaliran na ako!
Lahat po ng kalawang na po natin ngayon, gagawin po natin dokumentado, kaya may mga